Hi, and welcome to DMIOA. Any course or workshop is as good as the faculty can be. And at DMIOA, the faculty is never theorists. They are always practicing digital marketers who have more than 5 years of experience. I am Sangeeta Kumar, VP at GMR Web Team, a digital marketing agency, and I will be conducting your workshop. Today we will try and answer questions like what the heck is digital marketing? Why is it a good career option? What will I learn? Will I be able to apply what I learn? Will this workshop help me in my career? And where can I go to clarify any doubts? So I'll take these questions one by one. So number one, why learn? So we have a lot of students who come to us and say, I already know about digital marketing. I can post on Facebook, I can tweet on Twitter, I blog, I can run campaigns. So what is the need for digital marketing? So those are activities, and marketing implies much more. You need to identify a business objective. You need to know why you are doing a certain action and what is the impact of that action. You need to know the way to respond to negative reviews and lots of other things. So this all is possible if you have a good overview into digital marketing. You understand why you are making certain decisions and what is the impact of this decision, and you also estimate the impact of the decisions. So through this workshop, we are just giving you an overview because digital marketing is colossal and we just cannot cover it in this short workshop. But this workshop will give you a systematic, structured, and organized overview of digital marketing so that you can take certain decisions. So next question, what is digital marketing? So Wikipedia defines digital marketing as the use of electronics like computers, tablets, mobiles, and game consoles to market a product or service. But digital marketing means different things to different people, and they even call it by that name. Some call it lead generation marketing, some call it e-commerce marketing, some may call it SEO, mobile marketing, social media marketing, and a lot of things. Then there are also terms like natural language processing, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence. So all of this is very exasperating because you just don't know where to bring all of this together. So today we are here to make sense out of it. So what are you going to learn today? Today you're going to get a structured introduction into digital marketing. You will understand the 6 basic components of digital marketing that you cannot do about. You will get an overview into the different channels of digital marketing, which we have tried to explain with case studies so that you can understand exactly how they work. And then no digital marketing is complete without a plan or a plan to measure. And what to measure? Identifying the KPIs. So we have tried to cover these topics into your workshop, and then there are of course self-assessments and assignments, and then you have access to faculty for clarifying your doubts. So what makes digital marketing so popular? Why has it changed? What has changed is the way we behave. Technology has changed that. We now have access to information. We can now search online for information. We can compare, we can make decisions, and we can act. For instance, if I have to buy a party dress, I no longer need to visit a retail store. I can compare prices and buy the best. I can compare reviews of doctors and go to the best doctor. So my behavior as a consumer, as a customer has changed. Then for a marketer, you have the ability to communicate with your customers, and customers can communicate to a brand. So never before has there been this two-way communication where a company or a brand is listening to what their customers or consumers are saying about them, and they are responding with feedback, and they are improving their product based on the feedback. Another thing that digital marketing has brought about is the reach. You can now reach really far. A small town person doing embroidery can reach a global audience without a middleman, without buying shelf space. They can, just sell embroidered napkins anywhere in the globe, which was never possible earlier. You had to go through middleman. You had to pay for shelf space, and then the reach was never there, and they were never getting, the revenue, because the revenue was being expended at each level. The other factor in digital marketing is the ability to measure. How is my campaign running? And this has really brought down the cost of advertising. And this is what is partly responsible for the success of digital marketing. Then there is the ability to be real time. If I am running a campaign today, I can know the impact instantly, and then I can make changes or tweak my campaign. So a lot of things have changed in digital marketing. And basically, for today, any company, if you're not there on a search engine, you do not exist. But digital marketing isn't consistent. It's just not one thing. It is ever evolving. As technology changes, as new platforms come up, marketeers have to keep in pace with digital marketing. Earlier, it was just SEO or social media. But now you can market through gadgets. You have Alexa voice, you have Google Home. So there are a lot of changes, and marketeers have to keep up pace with it. But even then, there are certain components of digital marketing that are there constantly. And these are there, and this is what we're going to teach you in the next unit: the components, the channels of digital marketing, and the measurement plan. So are there prospects? What are the career options of digital marketing? Well, there is plenty of career options, because by 2019, India requires about 3.5 trained digital marketeers, and if you are one of them, you are going to be highly paid. There are job openings everywhere. And for professionals in India, there is a shortage of trained digital marketeers, and these is data taken from payscale.com. And these is sample, starting salaries for workers skilled in digital marketing. And these are the comparative pay scales. But this is just not stats. What is happening is that globe thrives on digital connectivity, and there is $100 billion spent on digital marketing globally. And in the Indian marketing scene, we are not far behind. Around 57 million Indians subscribe for brand-related information, either via email or via mobile app. And by 2020, there are going to be 450 million internet users in India. And in 5 years, the rural market will be double of that urban market. So there's going to be an explosion in even regional languages in digital marketing. And the Indian consumer behavior is like they search, they surf, and they share. So a huge market size indicates the demand and scope of digital marketing, and that is the reason that India needs actually digital marketeers. Let's start with the lessons. Stay connected with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.